Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will see how can we use CSV files or Excel file in the Python and how can we access them. So how can you load the CSV files in Python can be explained by this lecture. So first of all, you have to initialize like this: import pandas as PD. Now afterwards, you should know where your file is present. If you have downloaded it, then you have to just copy its path, and the command you have to use here is like that. I'm giving my whole file the name which is data. So I am going to initialize my whole file as data. You can either use any kind of variable you want. So data equals to, I want to read my CSV file, so I will write like pd.read. pd.read means pandas.read. Panda will read your file. The file is present in the form of CSV, so we will write here like this: CSV. Depends on your file type. Afterward, you have to copy the path of your file. So my file is present in download, so I will first here come to the download. Afterwards, here, where is my file? My file name is automobile, so I will right click it like this and I will copy my file path. So it is mentioned here like this: copy as path. I will copy my path. Afterwards, I will come here and paste my path like this. So as you see that my whole path has been copied and pasted in this pd.read CSV. Now the variable you should use to read is, as you see that error has been occurred. So in order to reduce your error, you just have to write the syntax, modify the syntax, like you just have to write before inverted commas in order to understand that the Python compiler that you are going to read the file. So in order to make your compiler understand this, so you just have to write R. This R will read your whole file. This is the basic syntax of reading any kind of files in Python language. So you just have to write pd.read CSV, your file path, and before your file path you just have to enter variable R. I hope you are clear with it. As you see that my error has been removed now. Now I want to load my data, so I will write my variable name, which is data, which is this. I just have to write this here in order to see my output. So as you see that the file which is in the CSV file in CSV manner stored in this folder has been come to my Jupyter notebook in this manner. It is just like your Excel file, but you can access it here anytime. So this is basically due to the Pandas library. So in this manner you can use any kind of file and you can load it here, and you just don't need to go to Excel again and again. You just have to you can modify, you can use these any kind of columns, any kind of row, just like Excel, which is present in this manner right here now. So you can use it here. You don't need to go anytime to the Excel. So this is the basically thankfulness for the Pandas library, which will ease your work in this manner. I hope you are very clear. In this manner you can access your any kind of CSV files in Python language. This is the basic syntax of loading your file into Python. I hope you are very clear with it. Thank you so much.